Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a new project pan. It's in collaboration with the Pantastic Ladies Collabs on Facebook, and it is called the Budget Beauties. Real quick, if you're new, I'd love for you to join the fam, so hit the subscribe button and tap the bell so that way you know when my next video goes live. This project pan was created by Lisa, and it's called the Budget Beauties. So you pick 4 to 6 affordable products, and we're gonna pan those through, let me check. We're going to pan those starting October 17th through January 17th. So we have a few months to try to get through some products. It doesn't have to be makeup. It can be skincare. It can be whatever you want it to be. So you can feel free to join in as well. I went through my collection and I think I picked a few products. Some I know I'm not going to finish. Some I do aim to finish, hopefully. And so let me start off. The first one, well, I tried to wear as much as the products that I could on my face. I am wearing all the products that I'm going to be including in this project pan on my face. So the first one is the Physicians Butter Bronzer in the shade Bronzer, right? Okay, yeah, it's been a minute since I've used this one. I already hit pan, but I want to hit more pan. If not, I want to hit more, or, you know, make a bigger pan. So that is the before. The next one, I don't know if I'm going to hit pan. This blush from City Color. It's the Be Matte blush. It's in the shade Toasted Coconut. It's a great everyday blush. I love it so much. And it also just pairs so well with this Physicians Formula bronzer right here. They just go together so well. And this one, it just like helps warm up my face just because my face is a lot lighter than the rest of my body. So I really love it for that reason. But there is the before. This product has 8.90 grams. And so that's a lot. So we'll see if I even hit pan. I'm going to try to use the heck out of that blush. For highlight, this one is so old. So old, but they repackaged it. This was back when Fergie collabed with him. And this is called, what are you called? Hollywood Boulevard. It is now called Boozy Brunch. But I heard this was a dupe for the Becca Jaclyn Hill Champagne Pop. I still don't know if it's a dupe because I don't own Champagne Pop, but this is the reason that I bought it way back when. I want to try to hit side pan on this one. It's always good to include a mascara because these projects are usually between, like, the shortest span is about 3 months. So that's usually about the time when you're supposed to grab a new mascara. So I'm going to try to, well, not try to. Well, yes, I'm going to try to use up, but I will be using this Essence I Love Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara. This one is so good. And the wand is a little bit intimidating. Try to get you guys a close look. So it does have a lot of product, but it doesn't transfer that much product. It doesn't make the lashes all gloopy. Just be careful because it is kind of a thick formula and it can kind of, you know, start clumping really fast. So just be careful with this one, but it's pretty good. I love the bristles because it really just like fans out the lashes. And I don't know if you guys can see. Can you see my lashes? Can you see my lashes? I love that mascara. Okay. This one is another one from City Color. I'm going to do my little marks like I usually do. But this is the contour stick. I'm not going to use a highlight end of it, but I'm going to use the cream contour side. It is a neutral shade. It's a little bit more on the lighter side, but I did use it as a cream base for my eyes. I totally powdered my face up, and then I just realized that I forgot to kind of bronze up a little bit with this. And so I just, you know, used it as a cream eyeshadow base. And then I also topped it off with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. So I don't know if you guys can really tell, maybe, maybe not. But there's that on my eyes. And then for lips, I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit in the shade Gimme Mocha. It is a perfect everyday shade. And it's one that I used to reach for all the time. So again, I'm so sorry if you see this lip color a lot. It's just so good. I love the formula. It stays and it's just so good. And I love the shade. So those are going to be the 6 products that I'm going to be working on. So I got my goals figured out on what I want to do. This project pan. So this project pan is 93 days long. So I think I'm going to check in just monthly. The ladies that have the YouTube channels, I will link them down below. So if you love watching project pans, if you want to join in, whatever, just let me know down in the comments. But I'm going to link their channels and maybe their videos down below as well. Let's see what kind of progress we can make. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already. Have a blessed day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.